How to fix YouTube dark mode not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can fix YouTube dark mode not working. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step. So simply swipe down from the top and enable your dark mode for your entire device. After you do that, you can then open up your YouTube and check if your YouTube's dark mode is now working or not. So there you can see mine is working just fine. So let's turn that off for now. So what you'll need to do if your YouTube's dark mode is not working is head over to your YouTube first, then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. After you do that, tap on your settings on the top right. After you do that, you'll find different options. Head over to General. On your General, you'll find different options again. Head over to Appearances. And from here, if your device is normally on dark mode, you can use your device theme. If not, simply select the dark theme option if your device theme is not working. Select dark and check if the dark mode appears in or not. If that fixes your problem and if that basically does the thing for you, you are good to go. If not, what you can do is you can head back, go to your settings, then simply head over to the apps option, then select YouTube from here. On YouTube, simply head over to Storage and Cache, then clear out your cache. Tap on Clear Cache, and after the cache clears out, you can then go ahead and check if the dark mode works. If that doesn't do it, all you have to do is update the app to the latest version, as sometimes older version may face some technical issues and glitches, so updating the app will fix the problem for you. So open up your Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and after you search for YouTube, if you see an update button right here, tap on update and update the app. And doing that will fix your problem. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.